Dan Dameo in the FG-1D Corsair. Big victory roll as Dan takes it around that big R2800 front wing engine, churning away about 1950 RPM. Once again, as the Manconi jumps by, look at that beautiful dolphin-like shape as they jump by. On the FG-1D. Watch now, as Dan Dameo delivers a 500-pounder. And the victory roll after it, and he didn't even come back to see what he hit. Dan Dameo once again. Dameo Trucking, Bridgewater, New Jersey. The photo pass now from the FG-1D. Look at those big wings of that gorgeous bed-wing bird. Although the airplane is very, very solid, Japanese call it whistling death because of the sound that's made during a high-speed bomb dive, dive bombing run. High speed going by. Dan Dameo. FG-1D Corsair. Incidentally, the 111 Tiger Wing will be having a munitions loading demonstration.
Hey, he lived right here.
Well, there's nothing wrong with the engine, that is the smoke system that is on the FG-1D, or at least I hope it is. Another big victory barrel roll. The last pilot report we got was a 1,700-foot ceiling out there, so it's still quite low. However, when conflicts happen, they don't take any notice of the weather, so whether the weather is high or low, raining, sleet or shine, it's not just the mailmen that always come through, it's also the 911 force that always comes through, the few, the proud, the Marines. A cutting-edge aircraft with one, once again, built in the Eastern Bloc. It goes by the name of the Albatross. The aircraft is the L-39 Spark. As part of the first pre-med class to graduate through the Hershey Medical Center. During his freshman year, he literally bumped into the Navy flight recruiters that were on campus and offered to take him for a ride. The Hawk was in a T-34B, much like the one Alan now owns. And after just 5 minutes of aerobatics, Alan's life was changed forever.